So you just have to look after the question or the given options and observe clearly in which of the option you are having the x part of the figure. So that will be your answer. So in this question I can easily say that the C part, in the C part, see this kind of figure is already given. So we just have to extract this embedded part of the question of a figure. So it will be this one. These are the extra part. Now this is extra, this is extra. So extra part, we don't care about that. We don't need the extra part of the figure because it is created. It's that's why it is a question. They just create the extra part of the figure with the in the embedded part of that figure, so that makes you confusing for finding that figure. So you just have to go through with your answer part, that is you need this much only. So it is available in the part of C. So our answer will be C. Now come to the next one. Which of the following option would complete the given figure pattern? That means now this kind of question already this figure will be completed with the help of any single logic. The same logic which is going on for completing this figure, we have to pick the given from the given options A, B, C and D. There are 4 options are available. With the help of that option we have to put here, and that that will complete the whole figure. So first of all understand this thing. If we are completing any figure with picking the options maybe A, B, C and D, we have to remember that the important thing, that is certain kind of logic will be going on the basis of same logic. We have to pick any option. We cannot straight away can pick that. Suppose if you are thinking that let B should be here, let D should be here. No, you can't pick like that. You have to apply the logic which is already going on in the question. So if you will observe this pattern, see, we have given the 3 part of a suppose a figure is divided into 4 parts, 4 equal parts, and the 3 parts are available. Let's find out what kind of a logic is going on. So it's quite easy question, as we can say that if I'm taking this part of the figure and this part parallelly to, so we can say that this is the what